Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Steam games crashing on startup. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Open any web browser. Now type here Steam semicolon forward slash flush config forward slash and enter. You will see a website wants to open this application. Click on open Steam. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now wait till this updating system will be complete. Now guys, it will ask, this will clear your local download cache and you will need to log into Steam again. So click on OK. So guys, this is the way you can fix and resolve Steam crashing problem. Thanks for watching, and please guys comment on this method work for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.